Hey guys, it's me Super Ben with AMD's Red Team Plus, and as I was shopping around for my Ryzen rig build, I came across this AM4 compatible MSI cooler. It's the MSI Core Frozr L, and it's MSI's first foray into CPU cooling, and just from the box alone it's pretty hefty, so let's open it up and check it out. Alright, so here's the retail package here. Because it's compatible with several Intel models as well as AMD, AM3 Plus, and AM4. There's a side profile. It's 155 millimeters from the top of the chip to the top of the fan here. You could swap the plates from gray to black. And let's go and open this thing up. Alright. Oh, that's heavy there. Wow, that thing's huge. Don't need that. Alright, so whoops. So you get the fan here itself. It's really thick plastic holding this in place. Alright, so that snaps closed. So there's a label protecting the bottom there. Don't forget to take that off. So there's a 120 millimeter fan here, just on one side, and might be able to see they're just clipped on with a little metallic brace here, so you might be able to find a second fan to put onto the other side. Here's the top, so when mounted in the CPU this would be facing outwards, so I think I saw you could unscrew these screws and replace the plate with a black one. Nice dragon logo there. Yeah, this thing's really heavy. And inside here, let's see, Gaming G Series logo there. Alright, there's a user manual for all the different connections there. Right here you can see there's the black plate there. Oh, looks like other mounting brackets for another fan. Various screws for all the different connections there. Looks like there's some thermal paste there. I love when they include thermal paste. And all sorts of mounting brackets down here. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly which one is the AM4 yet, since I don't have my motherboard or the CPU. But I am getting an MSI GPU, or an MSI motherboard, so this would be a good match for that. And let's actually see how heavy this thing is. I have a scale handy here. Dang, that thing's about 2 pounds. So that'll definitely put some strain on your motherboard there. And I do have a Cooler Master Hyper Evo 212, and let's compare those two. So size-wise, about the same. This one's definitely a lot lighter. How much does that weigh? That's about 1 pound, so it's about half as light. Got about a thicker profile on the MSI one here. Yeah, maybe I'll give this one a try. Yeah, good job MSI. Let's see what it'll do.